What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today, and today I'm going to be teaching you about the fill command. This command is very useful for, for example, making flatland or filling a floor, filling walls, stuff to make your life easier so you don't have to build big areas. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if your friends don't know how to do it, feel free to share it to them. I'll try to be I know my video might be kind of long, but I want to be be as descriptive as possible. So yeah, basically this will, this is my first video, I'm sorry. So this is gonna basically, all you're gonna need is a command block and a lever. Now you could use the text down here, this thing, but the thing is, it's gonna be kind of difficult because you have to memorize everything, and I don't have a good memory. I know that for a fact. So yeah, basically what the first thing you want to do is say I want to clear a big part of this mountain. What we're going to do is we're going to place the command block. So for the first position is where the start of the square is going to be. Now I'm not trying to break that command block when I do this, so I'm going to stand in the middle just like this. And can I reach the command block? Yes, I can. Come on, boom. Alright, so you want to type in /fill, double space, Minecraft, the colon, and then air. This right here is for clearing out spaces. So if I press done, now we have to see you want to find out what your X, Y, and Z is. It'll be in this menu, but since I have a mod that shows me at the top, it shows my frames per second at the top left. Same with my X, Y, Z. So it's -308, 71, -78. So for the space right here, you want to type in -308. I think this might be a double space. I'm not for sure. Nope, it's not a double space. Okay, 308, 71, -78. So that is the first X, Y, and Z. Now, you want to find the next X, Y, and Z, and I'll just go for an example and go right here. Now, I have a really nice method for, instead of memorizing, go into command block, once you find the second location, type in -324, 82, -106. Type in your next ones. Type in Control A, Control C. So now you have that in your clipboard. Now if you go back over to this, there is a creeper on my command block. Okay, chill out. Okay, so now that we're back, we got this location marked and that location marked. We go up to this, and you want to type in the second coordinates. Since I copied and pasted them, makes it a lot easier, so you don't have to memorize stuff. Just paste it down in. There it is. First XYZ, second XYZ, press done. Now all you want to do is just take your lever, and I'll put it on here, and I'll get a good shot of this disappearing. Boom. All of that just cleared out because it is substituting those blocks with air, and air, is all around you, obviously. And as you see in the chat, successfully filled 2,723 blocks. So this is very nice for like clearing arenas, for like servers, for making like flatland, whatever you want to do. But say I wanted to fill this with a type of block instead of filling with air. Well, I just want to rename this property to whatever you want. So for example, we're going to type in stone. This is going to make it so all the blocks that were selected in that XYZ range from there to there over there is now going to be filled with that block, and it is all stone. So if I can go back into this, change the property back to air if I made a mistake and I was like, okay, I want to go back, just activate it, and boom, we almost killed a creeper. I don't know how to zoom in, but he's over there getting damaged. We got 2 endermen for some reason. Why is there so many mobs? It's all good. It's okay. So basically, yeah, that's how you do that. Say you want to, okay, you got this filled out. Now you want to fill that. What we're going to do is I'm going to go to here. Can I go in the command block? Yes. Type in the XYZ. Okay, I think it's the same. Now we're going to go to a different, so say like right, like right here. Just give this this will be an example. Go back in the command block just so it's easier. Type in your coordinates. 322, 76, -62, and then Control A so you can select it all, and then Control C so it copies it. Then you break that command block, you go all the way back over here, go back to this command block, and take these, delete these properties, and then just paste it in where that was at. That's done. Activate it, and it's substituted with air, and there's some gravel. Boom. Okay. So say it's not tall enough. You want to make it a little bit taller, so you don't want none of that overhanging stuff. Just go to your properties, go back into this, and I say just add a whole 10 to it, because usually that's good enough. Boom. It's gonna fill it. Make sure that gravel's not there, and then yeah, boom. You can do the same for this side, and yeah, I'm gonna speed up me doing that real quick. Alright, as you see, I am now back with the right coordinates pasted in, and if I press done, nothing should happen because this is the same coordinates we did before. But like I said, if you go to this, add 10, usually 10 is good enough, activate it, and then you're good. Now you see we have flat land. Okay, for the last example with this command, say we want to make a floor. We're going to go from one corner, okay? Now what we're gonna do is like I said, we're gonna go to this, stay in the corner. You want to break down one, so you know you'll be like this, and then you just want to break down one. So this will substitute the floor. Now you just want to go to command block, and then -3, 22, 70, and then -62. Control A, Control C, boom. Now this is good. Now we need to go back over here. We go to this, type into the first one, and then now paste that. Now we need to work on the second one. So now, if we go over to this spot, I think I want to go to like right, should be even right about here. We're gonna break down, okay, go into here, -307, 7D, -106. Now you want to Control A, Control C, cancel, go all the way over to your command block, boom, go into the second property of XYZ, paste it in, and change whatever you want the floor to be. You don't want the floor to be air because it may destroy your command block. It depends if you messed up with one Y coordinate. So we're gonna fill it with, just say we want a stone floor, okay, activate, and as you see it's all stone. Properties have taken place. So I was smart enough and to make sure not to go into command block, so the command block did not get destroyed. So that means I can do whatever I want. Say I want to do a chest. Oh, this might be kind of weird, but boom, there's a bunch of chests. You know, you can just mess around with this. You can have fun with it, honestly. You know, type it up. Hopper, activate it. Boom, you have a bunch of hoppers. If you want a cool design, I honestly think this is really cool. If you go into this and you type in furnace, I spelled that wrong. I shouldn't. Boom. I think this design looks really nice, but that's just my opinion. And like I said, you can do any floor you want. So say we want to go to this, we want to do dark underscore oak underscore wood. Now it's going to select the right property. Boom. Now it's dark oak wood. So, oh, let's say we want to change it one more time because just for sakes. Plank. Dark oak wood planks. Oh, I don't know the thing. I don't know it, but you can mess around with this whatever you want, type it in whatever, and oh, I think I know what I have to do. Dark oak planks, boom, and you can do whatever you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to kind of speak fast with it so you would understand, but I didn't want to go too fast because commands can be kind of difficult for people to understand. And I just wanted to make it easy. As you see, this big brick is what I did before. I was just messing around with it and whatever. I thought it was a cool command. I showcase it. This was my first command showcase. If you did like it, don't forget to subscribe so I know that people actually like to see my command videos. Like it, share it with any friends that want to know about this if they need help. And yeah, I'll see y'all back in another video. Hope this helped you out. Peace.